Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So right now I am on the MQL5 Marketplace page for Forex AURUS EA, the Gold Sniper edition. I can see this is developed by the metric Evgenovez Co, and it is currently on version 2.26 with a price of 974 US dollars and 5 activations available. From the overview, this EA is specifically built for XAU USD, which is gold trading. The description positions it as a precision focused algorithm that combines indicator analysis with price action modules, especially targeting momentum and liquidity zones, which they refer to as pivot zones. Now, scrolling down, one of the first things that stands out is the risk management structure. It clearly states that stop losses are mandatory on every trade, which means every position is always protected. It also mentions an equity stop mechanism that can close trades automatically once a drawdown threshold is reached, which is designed to help control overall account risk exposure. Another important point here is the spread filter, which helps avoid trading during low liquidity conditions. And there is also a virtual trailing system where profit protection levels are hidden from the broker side. So these are all designed around managing execution quality and trade protection. Now, moving into the recommendations, the EA suggests a minimum deposit of $500 when trading with small lot sizes like 0.01. It also recommends using the H1 time frame as the optimal balance between signal accuracy and trade frequency, especially for gold. Now I'm just going to move into the settings and strategy tester to see how this behaves on historical data. So let's start by looking at the provided backtested information here. And this shows us history quality 100%, total net profit over $15 million, total trades taken 1,737, but the initial balance was not revealed. Right, we ought to know the initial balance to know. Okay, so here we are seeing initial deposit. Okay, I think the initial balance seems to have been revealed, right? Deposit was 500 and it's, turned into over 15 million. Okay, so here we can see initial deposit $500, total net profit $15,291,233.4. The total trades taken were 1,737. Short trades were 1,286 with a 99.22% win rate. Long trades were 451 with a 99.56% win rate. The largest profit is 158,300. Largest loss 1,595,300. Average profit 10,741.91. Average loss 269,879.74. So this tells me that the average risk to reward ratio is very bad. All right, but then out of the total trades taken, the profitable trades were 1,725, meaning that the profit ratio, or rather the profit rate, was 99.31%. So 99% of the trades were profitable. Okay, but the risk to reward ratio was pretty bad. High win rate was, but low risk to reward ratio. Let's just quickly go over to our strategy tester right away now, and we're just going to test this EA over the past week, but in If you are interested in this EA, I would actually recommend that you test it over a longer period of time. Okay, so you can be able to get more data for the back testing. You can be able to capture more market conditions, a wider range of market conditions, right? So we're testing the Forex AURUS EA just for the purpose of this video. We are testing it over the past week on XAU USD on the H1 time frame. And also, as for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server. And okay, we can see here it's just from 1st of this month to 9th. So the model is every tick modeling. And looking at the result, you can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, about 4% profit was made. So it looks pretty impressive though. 4% in about a week plus. And the total trades taken were 152, short trades 123, all profitable, long trades 29, all profitable. So this is giving us 100% win rate. Okay, and then the largest profit was 132.8. Average profit was $26.89. All right. So looking at the backtest chart, I can see this is strictly historical performance being displayed, and the EA appears to be reacting around key market swings and volatility phases, which aligns with its focus on momentum and liquidity zones. So the recommended time frame here is H1, and it's the H1 that we use. So the behavior I'm observing is based on higher time frame price movement rather than lower time frame noise, which usually gives a more stable view of strategy performance during testing. So as I scroll through the historical results, it's important to understand that this is not forward performance. Okay, these are historical backtest results, and outcomes can vary significantly depending on broker execution, spreads, slippage, and the risk settings used. So from a structural perspective, the EA appears to be combining strict risk controls with adaptive trade management features like trailing protection and recovery logic, which influences how positions are managed during drawdown phases and trend continuation. Overall, the Forex AURUS EA presents itself as a gold-focused algorithm with strong emphasis on risk protection and structured execution. So before considering any live deployment, I'll still recommend running longer term testing and forward demo testing so you can better understand how it behaves under different market conditions and broker environments. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insights. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.